Right, back here on Alex's 66. Hey, Spider! You're doing good! Spider's in the house, ladies and gentlemen. So back here on the 66, we got all of our vacuum items situated now. Got everything kind of capped, it needs to be capped. Got our timing set. Just set it right at 5 degrees with the vacuum unhooked. Got the idle set, got everything set. Here's a smooth operator. So we got that good, all that's buttoned up. Onto our wiring, our washer here. That's been magic hacky. Yep. You're kind of on the wrong side there, Spider-Man. Don't die. Please don't die. So this has to go down to the trans. That's our downshift. And I have this lead here, which is a constant 12 volt. Oh my god. So this is a constant 12 volt going to nothing. I mean, I looked on the wiring diagram, and yeah, orange with a black. Spider's over there pretending to be dying. Anyway, there's one for cornering light, but obviously that's not it. We need to figure out what that is. We need to figure out a washer actuator that's been monkeyed with into an aftermarket washer down yonder here. And yeah, definitely got most of our electrical nonsense done. Our vacuum nonsense handled. Our steering lines we still need to do. Need the parking belt back, obviously. Smooth. Inside the car. Headlights work. There's high beam, low beam. As you can see, the passenger side, you can see the reflection on the truck. It's misbehaving. And there's feed, back feed, into that turn indicator. But indicators work as they should. Dash lighting works as it should. Our horns work. Our wipers do not work, so we need to figure that out. Clock doesn't work. Clock's never worked. The AC stuff we need to get to the bottom of. We're going to do that later. Radio turns on. But that's about all we wrote there. Windows are functioning. Ooh, slowly, creepily. Those work good. vent is attempting to go. This one is too, on the other side. Alright. The front ones kind of work. This one doesn't work at all. But pretty damn decent amount of progress, I'd say.